There's several things that happen to our face as we age. We lose volume in our faces as we age, so we lose our cheekbones, we lose the fat pads, and then our skin gets thinner. Our breakdown of collagen and elastin starts to outpace the building of it once we get into our 20s, so it starts to decrease at that point. And so we have something in our clinic to try to address each of these issues. So we can revolumize the face with some of our dermal fillers, things like that. And then for the thinning of the skin and the sagging of the skin, that's what we use the Pixel8-RF for. We chose Pixel8 specifically for Hawaii because with some of the other things out there, like lasers specifically, they can be great for skin tightening. The problem is they can cause some hypo or hyperpigmentation, especially in people who are darker complected. There's very small needles. They just slide down into the dermis. The dermis is where all of your collagen is. Then the heat, the RF, a little burst of energy goes to the tips of the needles and delivers the heat directly to the dermis, directly to that collagen. And when that heat hits the collagen, those proteins remodel and change a little bit, and it causes some nice tightening of the skin. So you can tighten skin anywhere on the body with the Pixel8. The face is probably the most popular area. It helps with fine lines, wrinkles. A lot of people see sagging skin on their neck, so we do a lot of necks. Décolleté is another very popular area. But then I also have women who have maybe stretch marks. It's terrific for acne scars. But basically anything that you would want to do where you want to remodel that collagen layer and improve your dermis, the Pixel8 is going to be the answer for that. Most people are going to want to do about 3 to 5 to start. And then what we recommend is that you do maybe every 6 months to a year after that. So you'll just always maintain that youthful skin. And it doesn't look like you did like a facelift or something like that. It's not a super dramatic thing like that. It's a nice tightening of the skin that looks very natural. The entire treatment takes about an hour, hour and a half, and there's really no side effects, but people often ask about downtime. After you have this done, you'll be a little bit red, maybe for 1 to 3 days. If you're a little darker complected, you may walk out of here looking like almost nothing happened. Just a little bit of redness, like you got a little too much sun, and that's pretty typical with the average complexion in Hawaii, is that we're seeing most people, they look like they got a little too much sun. So it takes a little bit of time for that collagen to remodel and to rebuild. It's your collagen, it's remodeling, it's changing, and it takes 3 to 4 weeks for that to happen. It's not really going to change somebody's face. It really just kind of walks their face back in time a little bit. For more information about our anti-aging facial treatments, you can contact us at 523-5483, or you can go to our website, elitehealthhawaii.com. You can also follow me on Instagram. It is @ScottSandersonMD, and we are also on Facebook.
Brought to you by Elite Health Hawaii.